Hello guys, welcome back to Somerset Man Walking. Just another short one today around where I live. There will be better ones coming up, going further afield, etc. But for now, we're sticking local. Apparently the weather's meant to improve at the weekend, so can't wait to get out and do some proper walking. Might do one up on the Mendips. Fantastic. This is Cox's Green meeting Nate's Lane. But we're going this way. Mill Lane. And you'll see why in a bit. I'm a little bit worried though, because there's a 3-ton weight limit and I'm not sure that weight bridge is going to take me anymore. Anyway, onwards. There's a reason why this is called Mill Lane, as I said. So there is an old disused, well, people live in it, but it's an old disused water mill, and it's just down in the bottom there. And I'm not going to go in too close because there's a car there and people actually live there. So that was the old water mill. It's fed by the River Yo, by the way, which runs through our village, the village of Rington. And I'm just coming up to that wheat bridge now. I'm a bit worried if I stand on it, what's going to happen. But there you go. So I'll just show you the river in a minute. Again, as a kid, I used to play all around this area. Obviously, born and bred here. So I'll just show you the river. So if I can get in here, that tree there, look, it's fallen down against the bridge. I don't know if you can see through there, but there is a little channel that used to obviously go past the watermill, and this where it joins the main stream or river. It is called the River Yo. At this point it's obviously not that big. And that's just going on down now to what I would call the Waterfall, being a local. And over the years people call it Tumbling Weir, but actually Tumbling Weir was a house that's nearby. But hey, we're not going to argue about it. We're not going to fall out about it, are we? What do you mean we're not going to fall out about it? Of course we are. We always fall out. You say one thing, I say something else. Go away, no Hat Darren. I'm now walking along a very boggy, muddy field alongside the river. I'll just spin you around, excuse me. Walking along there. I'm going to take you down to the waterfall, as I call it. It looks like I've been doing a fair bit of logging here and clearing the dead wood from the side of the river. See if I can get you in a bit closer. But it is a bit boggy, so excuse my shaky camera. There we are, look. Following it on down towards the waterfall now. You spend hours and hours down here as a kid. Rope swings going across the river, falling in, etc. Beautiful part of the village, it really is. tumbling Weir. So down there is a bridge. This used to be the old railway line. It's private, so I'm not going to venture down there. There is a footpath that takes you down. I'll do one about the railway on a different day, but it's basically part of the old branch line. So the strawberry line basically. So yeah, a very I mean, Rington Station, like I said, I will do another video on that another time. We haven't had trains running here, I think, since about 1968, so before my time. But that there is the old railway line, following that tree line along, just where you can see there in front of me. Old railway line? No way, there wasn't an old railway line here. But there was no Hat Darren. Oh, just go away. So there you go then, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, and all the best from the Somerset Walking Man. Cheers.